Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies for the month of July 2021, and we will be looking at your past, present and future energies in this reading. Plus at the end of the reading I'm going to pull out some cards for you as an advice from the universe. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Alright, so let's get started. This is a reading for Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. Okay, so if one video is not resonating with you, so you can check out my other videos as well. Let's see. Okay, so the obstacle for you this week or this month is the Judgment, and at the back of the deck we have the Ace of Wands. All right, so let's get started with your reading. So the obstacle for you is a Judgment energy. So this can be telling us that you might be facing some kind of a decision making this month, and you might be facing some difficulty like in doing some decision making for that situation. It can be anything. It can be in regards with your business, your career, your finances, your love life, family life. It can be anything. So we are going to clarify it more. In the past we have the Hanged Man, the World and the Three of Cups. So there is a situation in the past where you were trying to find some other perspectives of the situation. You were trying to get some more idea of the situation. You were trying to perceive the situation in some another level. Like if you are seeing two people together, you might not be seeing them as a couple. They can be brother and sister. Okay, so it's the perception. Your level of perception is changing, and that is why in the past something changed, like a perception changed, and all of a sudden some kind of a process is a process which has ended in the past. It can be with somebody with whom you were dealing with, might be a relationship, might be a third party thing as well. So there was a situation, you took a stand, basically you took a pause in that situation. You stopped that thing, you ended that thing, and it was an over thing in the past. At present we have Knight of Swords, Four of Wands and Nine of Swords. So you might be running towards something stable right now, but the decision making is still very fast. Okay, so this can be you, this can be your person as well. So whosoever is trying to take a decision right now, it is more in a very aggressive manner rather than in a very selective intellectual manner, because this thing is also not going to give anyone out of you two any happiness, because you both are feeling at a place where you are not happy. And if you are taking a decision because of your parents, because of somebody else, not because of your happiness, this thing might not happen in a very good way in a longer term. In the coming future we have Five of Wands, Page of Swords and the Fool. So I'm really getting some kind of an argument which might be coming towards you in the coming future. This might be because of some communication or some kind of situation where you started being judgmental very fast. I'm really getting, so this can be you or your person as well, who has become very judgmental, and because of that judging nature of someone, we take a decision and we just let the things, whatever is happening, we enter into a fight. Okay, so we will clarify that as well. So at the back of the deck we have the Ace of Wands. So this is more of a strong fire energy which is building up in your energy right now. So this is you who is actually trying to take things in a very different manner. You want to start new things. You have strong business mind situation. You have that mind like, okay, I have to do this, I have to do this. You are started thinking in a very long term, and you want to enter whatever this thing is. Okay, so what is hidden from you is the Queen of Swords, Nine of Pentacles. So I am getting that the things which are hidden from you is some kind of independency, or I would say some kind of a truth seeker kind of a situation where you want truth, howsoever hard it is to hear that truth, but you want to be really happy, you want to be independent, and that is the universal message which is actually hidden from you, but what universe wants to tell you, that is what the thing is. Universe wants you to invest more energies in yourself rather than in the situations around you. Work on yourself. It can be something related with money, because I'm getting strong pentacles energy, so this is more about savings. Invest more and save more, okay, because things are at your hand. You have to take charge of your situations. If the things are not working fine with you, you really need to let them go. You really need to just move on in your life and start blocking those people, start blocking those situations which are not making you feel happy. Okay, so this was the hidden truth from you, which was from the universe. So let's clarify your energies now. Alright, so tell me more about the judgment energy as an obstacle for my Virgos, please. Judgment. Tell me more about the judgment. The Star, Four of Cups, and Queen of Wands. Okay, so yes, so you are required to take a decision. So this is an obstacle, because this can be somebody from the past who is trying to revisit you, trying to call you, and you might be just not accepting their calls right now because it's coming up as an obstacle. So because you are trying to reject people, this can be you as well, okay. You might be trying to call somebody else, and they are trying to reject you, reject your calls. Not there is no contact situation, and you are trying to deal with that situation because you need to take a decision. Like, if this person is not taking my calls, or if you are not taking their calls, so whatsoever this thing is, you need to take a call at this thing, for this thing, because this cannot go for a while in the situation. Sometimes we need to take some decisions. We just cannot let them happen just as they are happening, like one month, 2 months, 3 months. Till how much time you are going to let these things happen? So you have to either end these things, or you have to talk it out, talk the situation, just try to understand the situation, what is happening, and then take a call. So we will clarify what exactly this is. Tell me more about the Ace of Wands energy in the overall energy for the situation. Why the Ace of Wands is here? Tell me more about the Ace of Wands. So we have the Five of Swords, we have the King of Pentacles, along with the Magician. Yes, so your overall energy is kind of like, you might have been betrayed, you might have been in a place where you were the victim of the situation, and now you are not going to be the victim anymore, and that is why you are very stubborn now. You have become very much adamant in a situation, like, I am going to take a charge now. I'm not going to make things the way they were going. So your energy is very fiery right now. That is why, whatever it is going on, you are adamant and you are going to take that charge. That actionable energies are coming up at your overall energies, and that is what is advisable right now for you from the tarot. So let's see your past energies with the Hanged Man. I want to clarify. Tell me more about the Hanged Man, please, in the past. The Hierophant, Eight of Cups, and the World. So definitely this thing, you might have been married to a person. There are more orthodox qualities which are coming, two people not going well, so you need to change your perspectives, and that is why you chose to move away from that situation. You are just walking away from that situation. You are no longer in that situation anymore, because of the World card has come twice in the past energies. This thing has completely ended for you, completely. Okay, so tell me more about the Three of Cups at the in the past energies. Tell me more about the Three of Cups. Page of Cups, the Fool, and Six of Wands. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so whatsoever this thing was, you felt with this person, you felt that there is sudden connection with this person from the past. It was sudden, unexpected change, okay, of that situation. You were really happy till the time you were with this person. You were very happy. The decisions were taken all of a sudden. You didn't even think about, you didn't even just gave it another thought for this relationship, for the situation. If you were getting married to this person, you were just, okay, I am blindly going to get married to this person, and you did that thing actually. But this was only temporary gains, okay? So this was not meant to be forever for you. Whatever that thing was, whatever the situation was, it was temporary. It has ended. So I don't see this thing coming back again. So let's see now what is in the present then. Some things have ended. What is this new thing? Why the Knight of Swords is here? Tell me more about the Knight of Swords energy, please. King of Wands, okay. Death, all right. And Six of Swords. Wow, interesting. So you are taking some decisions at present. These decisions, they are taken very fast. First of all, you are taking very fast decisions. It's like the energies are really fast around you, and you have taken control of that situation. That situation is more about ending things and moving away from this thing. So this is the strong decision making, which was actually needed as an obstacle, but the obstacle is still this decision making. Although you are taking a decision, but I think another person is not ready for this decision to happen. For whatever you are ready, the another person is not ready for that thing yet. So tell me more about the Nine of Swords in the present energies, please. What is this Nine of Swords? Let's see. Six of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, and Devil. Yes, strong attraction from the past energies. It's like an attraction and addiction with this past person that they want you. Something like that is coming up, Virgos, over here. It's like they are not going to let go of you. Although they know that they are sorry. I think the apology has already been there towards you. They have come up with an apology towards you or not, but definitely they are not going to let go of this energy, because they are really, really addicted towards you. It's really hard for them to let you go from their lives, and that is why when decision making has been done by you, they are not ready to accept that decision of yours. Wow. Let's see what is coming up in the future. Somebody is not accepting the things that are happening around the universe. All right, please, let's see. Tell me more about the Five of Wands energy, please. Five of Wands, clarified by Five of Wands, the Emperor, and the Three of Wands. Okay, so I think you are going to enter into a situation where there is going to be an argument with this person, because you are adamant, but they are also adamant in this situation. It's like that if you are ready to let me go from your life, but I am not ready to let you go. So you just be there and I am hanging up here, okay? So that is why they are just waiting for you to accept them by anyhow. I am really getting that those adamant energies of not letting go. Tell me more about the Page of Swords, please, for my Virgos. Page of Wands, Eight of Pentacles, and Queen of Swords. I am really getting these as your energies as a no for the other person. You are not going to work because you know the truth. Okay, so whatsoever sugarcoat they just try to be now. Okay, so they might be sugarcoating some stuff, something like that, but the investigation has already been done. You know the truth, you have seen the truth, everything was there. Okay, so you have already invested a lot of time and energy and you have worked for this thing. You might have given them a chance before, because I'm really getting some strong reconciliation energies in the past. So that means that you have already given them a chance, but they didn't accept it because they were taking you for granted, and that is why they are still those immature personalities which are coming. They are not strong. Okay, they are not strong. I don't feel those strong energies. They do not want you to let go, but you have to be really strong, because your energies are coming really strong. You are adamant in this thing, but they are adamant but not very strongly as you are. Okay, so let's see why the Fool energy is here. Tell me more about the Fool energy in the future. Four of Pentacles, Justice, wow, and the Hanged Man. See again, so this decision making in which you are already adamant, I feel that yes, you are still holding on, that you are not going to take them at all, because you actually follow the truth, you actually follow what is right and what is wrong. You really care about that thing, and that is why your perspective. See, the reading started with the Hanged Man and reading ended with the Hanged Man. So basically it's all the level of perception, my dear. So this is what you are. You know, you might have perceived the situation in some another angle, but I think that whatever this thing was, it was needed. Okay, these things, you being adamant, you being very strong right now, this was needed for the situation, because people take you for granted and that cannot be done anymore. The zodiacs which I'm getting over here are Aquarius. Well, there are a lot, but let me just clarify some. Aquarius, Leo, Taurus, and I'm just taking some strong major zodiacs. I'm getting Magician. So for Magician we have the Geminis. Yes. So what else do we have? We have Libra energies. We have strong. So we have two Magicians. So we have two Geminis over here. So I'm really getting strong Geminis, strong Pisces. What else? Aries, Leo is fine, but yes, I am really getting strong Aries. Yes, there are 3 to 4 times Aries energy has come up. Aries, Pisces, Capricorn. Yes, Capricorn is here, strong. Okay, so and Libra as well. Okay, so that is with the zodiac signs. Let me do some advice. Let me take out some cards for you as an advice from the universe, please. So we have the Five of Pentacles, the Moon, and Six of Wands. So the universe is trying to tell you that whatever you are feeling alone right now. So you might be at some place, you might feel lonely, you might feel that you were done wrong because things were hidden, somewhere things were hidden. But this is just temporary. Okay, so sadness temporary, happiness temporary. So everything ends at a certain time. So just find yourself. You know, the universe is trying to tell you, just be happy. I am giving a lot to you. I'm sending a lot much better towards you. So be happy for those things. Do not be in that emotional state anymore. There is a lot more to come your way. All right, so that is all from my side, my dear Virgos. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.